Hi. Are you looking for the best exercise bike under $300? You just landed in the right place. There is an endless collection, with massive variation, of exercise bikes out there. We put together a list of the best exercise bike under $300 to make it easier for you. All the bikes listed are very cautiously hand-picked by our experts after in-depth discussion. So, if you choose from these models, you can be sure that you buy a great product. Number 5.
Hi, my name's Brianne, and I'm here to the Exerpeutic Folding Magnetic Upright Bike. Now, as a trainer, I want to let you know this is an excellent tool for shedding fat, burning calories, and increasing your cardiovascular health, all within the comfort of your own home. It is easy to store and super comfortable. All right, let's hop on and get started. First, you want to make sure that you are able to adjust those foot straps to your foot size, which is not only going to ensure comfort, but a safe ride. Starting from the ground up, you're going to be in a nice neutral position. This wide seat allows you to sit comfortably, and what I love about this bike is that you are actually in a very comfortable upright position right off the bat. You're going to grab onto the handlebars, relax your shoulders away from the ears, and keep those abs super tight. Now remember, this bike is designed for all sizes. Next, let's take a look at the monitor. Now in front of you, you have a large, easy to read, performance LCD monitor. As a trainer, there's a lot of measurables that I like to track with my workouts and my clients' workouts. In front of you, you need to see your heart rate, your speed, your calorie burn, and your total time, and your distance. That allows you to not only track your workouts, but progress your workouts and hit your goals. One of my favorite features is the 8-level magnetic tension control system. This is going to allow you to challenge yourself and never get bored. But remember, as you get fitter, you got to crank up that tension to keep challenging your body. Now, as you can see, this is an absolutely incredible bike. It folds up to half its size. It's super easy to store. What are you waiting for?
And these are our fitness experts' ratings for this product. Number 4.
The advanced folding frame design and multi-seating positions of the XTERRA Fitness FB350 folding bike maximizes your use of space while providing a workout that is comfortable and effective. The padded lower back pad, large anatomically designed thick padded seat, and padded seat handles combine to give you a comfortable secondary seating position that will keep you working out longer. To ensure a smooth and sturdy workout, the FB350 utilizes our solid X-frame design with thick steel tubing and a silent belt drive system. Challenge yourself with 8 levels of resistance while you easily keep track of all of your workout data with the easy-to-use console. It provides feedback on your speed, distance, time, calories, and pulse, along with a convenient scan feature. Make your workouts more effective by easily monitoring your heart rate with the handlebar-mounted hand pulse sensors. For improved comfort and convenience, the FB350 features large multi-grip padded handlebars and an accessory holder for your remote control or phone. With folded dimensions under 21 inches by 20 inches and built-in transport wheels, it allows you to store it away when not in use and free up valuable floor space. Start on the road to fitness today with the XTERRA Fitness FB350 folding bike and exceed your expectations.
And these are our fitness experts' ratings for this product. Number 3.
The Marcy ME709 Recumbent Magnetic Resistance Exercise Bike combines the benefits of working out in a relaxed and comfortable seating position. Many of the features found on larger, more expensive recumbent exercise bikes are present on the ME709. The recumbent seating position keeps you comfortable throughout your workout, so you stay motivated to push further. Shape, firm, and tone your body while improving your stamina, metabolic rate, and cardiovascular conditioning. Features include smooth, quiet, magnetic resistance, 8 preset levels of resistance, a comfortable seat with oversized pads, fully adjustable for people with different leg lengths. An easy-to-read computer displays your speed, distance, time, and calories burned. A step-through frame design makes it easy to get in and out. The Marcy ME709 is easily rolled away for storage when you're done with your workout.
And these are our fitness experts' ratings for this product. Number 2.
The 130 upright bike from Schwinn Fitness features a new simplified console to help you feel confident about making a good investment for your active lifestyle. Consumers just like you helped us improve how workout metrics are displayed. With our dual-track screens, you can pop a magazine or tablet into the media rack and still keep an eye on time, distance, and calories. A built-in USB charging port even keeps your device battery full while you work out. With 20 levels of resistance and 22 fitness programs, it's easy to find your ideal cardio workout. This bike is packed with Schwinn quality features. Angled handlebars adjust easily and have heart rate sensors built right in. A 3-speed fan keeps you cool. Sealed speakers keep you moving to the beat. And an oversized water bottle holder and padded seat make your ride more comfortable. Bring better health into your life by bringing Schwinn Fitness into your home.
And these are our fitness experts' ratings for this product. Number 1. These are our fitness experts' ratings for this product.